To change wallpaper on your Apple Watch, we got two methods. You can do this straight on your Apple Watch, but also we can do this on your iPhone. First of all, I'm going to show you how we can do this on your iPhone because everything is much bigger and you will be able to navigate much easier. So start by opening a watch application on your iPhone, go to the My Watch on the left bottom corner, and over here you have to simply go into the watch faces. So first of all, you can find few default watch faces, and you can quickly change between them by just selecting this watch face and tapping on the bottom into the set as a current watch face. But if you want to get like completely new watch face on your Apple Watch, so you have to go to the face gallery, and here you can find a lot of watch faces. Let's say we want to get data rich, so we have to open this one, and maybe we will go for this one. So over here, if you want to add this to your Apple Watch, you have to click on this add button. And now let's wake the screen. There we go. As you can see, the watch face has changed. But after you actually change your watch face, you can still customize it up to your preferences. So you have to pick this watch face. And first of all, as you can see, you can change the background. So in this case, we can only get one color, the red one, for example. And take a look. You can you can turn off the black color and get your watch face like completely in this specific color. Over here you can change numerals, and over here we can adjust complications. So if you want to put here some shortcuts, maybe we will change the bottom left, and instead of the timer, maybe we will put alarm. There we go. So now you can quickly tap on it and you will be redirected into the alarm application, and that's how it actually works. And of course, depends of your current watch face, you can add and remove some other complications. There's even some watch faces without complications, like for example this animated flux watch face. Take a look. There's no way to actually put here some complications. And that's basically how we can do this on the iPhone. If you want to do this straight on your Apple Watch, so you have to just click and hold on the watch face, and now as you can see, you can quickly change between the watch faces. If you want to add an additional watch face, you will have to go here, click on the plus, and simply pick up any watch face that you want, like we did on the iPhone. Now we have to just click on the crown control button to confirm, click again, and as you can see, the wallpaper has changed. And that's basically everything.